lots of reasons that you might want to replace old door hardware with something new. Security, accessibility, style, or maybe the old hardware is just plain worn out. Hi there, I'm Jeff Wilson. Replacing door hardware uses a simple set of skills and tools, but it can make a big difference in the way a door looks and works. All right, so we've opened up our door hardware here. It comes with two sides to the lever, an interior and an exterior. It comes with the actual latch itself. Also a strike plate that goes on the jamb of the door, some various screws and that go with that, and of course our little key. We're going to start by taking off the old hardware before we do anything with the new hardware. There are two screws on either side on the interior of the door. We'll just take those out. All right, there's one side, and the other side will just pull off of there. Step two, we'll take out the old latch. Just two screws, and then this will pop right out. Step three is to take off the old striker on the jamb. Again, just two screws, and that should pop off. All right, now let's install the new hardware. We'll start with the latch. Now when you install the latch, you want to make sure that you install the curved side toward the strike. This can be installed either way, so you want to make sure you do that. So that'll be this direction for us. It slips into the existing hole, and then there are just two screws, one on the bottom and one on the top. Now if your plate doesn't fit, you may need to chisel that out a little bit with a hammer and chisel, but ours fits just fine today. And now the two pieces of the handle along with these machine screws. This part goes in first, just slides into the latch. This part goes in second. We're going to line up these holes and then put one in, tighten it up but not all the way, leave it a little bit loose so I can line up the second one. And just tighten it up. All right, seems to be working. Now the last thing we want to do is install our strike here in the jamb. Again, if you need to do a little bit of chiseling to make yours fit, you can do that. Ours fits pretty well. Well, that's all there is to it.